Hey guys, it's Zach with Android Police, and in this video we're going to be taking a quick look at the Fossil Gen 5 smartwatch, and I'd like to thank Fossil for sponsoring this video. So this is Fossil's latest and greatest. We over here at Android Police believe this to be the best Wear OS smartwatch that you can buy, and here's why. Starting off with the specs, the Gen 5 is sporting a 1.28-inch fully circular AMOLED display at 328 pixels per inch. It's got Qualcomm's Snapdragon Wear 3100 processor, 8GB of storage, a gig of RAM, it's water resistant, it's got a mic and a speaker, and it's got a nice collection of sensors. Now in the box you get the watch itself, of course, along with a standard 22mm band, which is easily removable if you'd like to swap it out with a different one. Then you get the USB charging connector, and of course you get your manuals. Now as you can see, the Gen 5 is actually a well put together, simple, clean looking watch. It's got a main center dial for scrolling through menus and whatnot. You can also long press it to activate the Google Assistant, and the dial is flanked by two shortcut buttons which by default open Fossil's customization app and a Google Fit activity. And you can of course remap these buttons to open up other things in the settings. Alright, so taking a look at the software, much like the watch, Wear OS is simple, clean, and easy to navigate with a nice set of features and functionality that make for a great little sidekick to your phone. Now there's actually an exclusive feature in here, and that's battery modes. This basically gives you the ability to control how the watch handles battery consumption in an effort to help you get the most out of your battery. And speaking of battery, I'm sure you're wondering about the Gen 5's battery life, and well, I'm happy to say that the battery life is actually very good. We've found that you can get 2 days on a single charge, and if you take advantage of battery modes, even 3 days is possible. Another great thing about Gen 5 is that now both Android and iPhone users can answer phone calls straight from the watch, which is awesome, and thanks to the mic and speaker, quick phone calls come through nice and clear. It's super convenient. Now on top of all of this, you'll get a rather large number of watch faces, so I'm sure you'll have no trouble at all finding ones that suit you. And speaking of finding the one that suits you, Gen 5 comes in a variety of different style options to match any personal preference. Seriously, not only do you get some great looking casing, just check out all of these different bands that Fossil has to offer. Yeah, I wasn't kidding. So overall, Fossil Gen 5 is great. It's the best Wear OS smartwatch on the market, and like I said earlier, it makes for an awesome sidekick to your phone and personal assistant for your daily routines. Make sure you check it out using the link down below. There you can also check out additional Android Police coverage of this device. And once again, we'd like to thank Fossil for supporting the channel and sponsoring this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe to the Android Police channel if you're new. I will talk to you guys later, and thank you so much for watching.